Welcome to the Determined Mom Show, the only marketing podcast dedicated to guiding mom CEOs into tranquility, wealth, and multiplying those precious moments.
Welcome to episode number 109 of the Determined Mom Show. Today, I just want to share with you some of the amazing things that we've been cooking up in the kitchen at the Determined Mom and TDM Marketing. The first thing is definitely the changes that are coming to the podcast. So you're going to find a couple episodes a week, so 2 per week-ish. Basically, we're going to be publishing a new episode every 4 days on a rotating schedule. Those episodes are going to be a combination of guest episodes and also a combination of just small, short tidbits that are going to be very actionable, very helpful for you in your business, in your personal life, or the combination of the two. So those things are going to be very simple, very easy for you to implement. And I hope that you enjoy the new format of the show. As always, leave us feedback and let us know how things are going. And if you like it, you can also send an email to us at info@thedeterminedmom.com. The next exciting thing that we've been working on in the TDM Marketing Kitchen is our new webinar. So we've created a new webinar that walks you through how you can stop wasting time on social media. There's so much hype about social media and you have to be on it. You have to be posting, you have to be creating content, you have to be engaging. And truth be told, it just doesn't really work for anyone. You ask any of your friends that are business owners, how is posting on social media going for you? They're probably going to say, oh, well, I do it all the time and I'm just not seeing results or anything like that. I mean, it's just a typical answer. And not only that, but most people are burnt out on social media. They're burnt out on creating content. They're burnt out on posting. They're burnt out on trying to engage with people that aren't really just interested in engaging. It's just an uphill battle. And not only that, but the algorithms are always constantly fighting against you. We created this webinar that is very short. It's going to be a 20-minute webinar, and it is initially airing on Wednesday, July 7th at 2 p.m. So if you'd like to join that, you can definitely join us on there, and you can find the link in the show notes to this episode. And if not, you can join us on the replay, which we will also put in the show notes to this episode. After it's aired, it will be changed to the replay link. That's going to be a really fun webinar for us because I just want to help as many people as we can. Our team is very, very excited and very motivated to help as many people as well with their Google My Business and to try to learn why it's more important than social media, help you with that marketing shift. So shifting that, energy, effort, time, resources from all of these different social media outlets to just Google My Business is totally going to change your business. I've seen it time and time again with our clients. It is just so powerful. So please join us for that. And we also have an amazing new email course that we've created. It is a 21-day email series, and you can learn everything you need to know about how to optimize your business listing from start to finish. And it will completely also change your business. And it's going to give you that great baseline to start with for Google My Business. So that is a very, very important part of what we have been working on as well. And you can access that also in the show notes. I hope that you enjoyed this episode. I know it's very, very short, but that's how I'm going to be keeping the solo episodes format because I don't want to waste your time. I don't want to waste my time. And if I don't have anything to say, I'm not going to keep blabbering on like I am right now. You have a great week. This episode of the Determined Mom Show is brought to you by the Google My Business Optimization Workbook. In this workbook, you will learn how to optimize your own Google My Business listing to increase your calls, website visits, and your revenue. TDM Marketing has perfected the art of ranking small businesses on Google using only Google My Business listings over the past 4 years. We've helped hundreds of businesses get into the top 3 and the local pack. This workbook contains every step of our optimization process. We take a holistic approach and evaluate your ideal clients and service areas. This workbook will walk you step by step through our exact optimization formula. This formula has helped hundreds of business owners to increase their revenue, brand awareness, and local and national service areas. Your ability to rank on Google is based on so many SEO factors on your website. With Google My Business optimization and management, you can take a much quicker route to get in front of your ideal, ready-to-buy customers without paying thousands for search engine optimization. You can grab your Google My Business optimization workbook at tdm-marketing.com.